The Statistics panel is located in the right info panel in the visualization. The overall number of elements in the graph and the number of selected elements can be found in the header of the panel. Next is the part with the statistics charts divided into nodes and relationships. Chart for every property, database or virtual, can be added into the panel to uncover patterns in the data. Select an element in the graph and the corresponding charts will be updated based on the property values of the selected element. It works also the other way around. By clicking on any chart value, all elements with that value will be selected. The charts will be updated based on all property values of the selected elements to maintain consistency between the selection state in the charts and in the graph. Charts can be collapsed or rearranged to allow visual detection of similarities between different properties. For instance, to analyze the number of incidents for different types of network profiles, the charts, profile, and incidents can be put closer together to instantly see the selection changes without any scrolling. When there's an exponential or a heavy-tailed distribution, the logarithmic scale can be used to make the smaller values more readable. In combination with the selection tools, it's easy to uncover the types of network components and their incident rates for the supporting infrastructure of a particular graph element. The same techniques can be also applied to relationships data. A new chart for any property can be added with the Add Property Chart button. Unwanted charts can be hidden with the Hide option in the Charts menu.